Hey everybody, my name is Ryan and I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months for like $200 out of pocket. In today's video, I want to walk you through 7 suggestions that are going to save you a whole bunch of time and a whole bunch of money on your college degree. Suggestion number 6 alone should save you multiple years of time. Let's dive in. Number 1 is to attend highly respected universities that are regionally accredited, but attend their online programs. You should never go get a college degree from a school that is not respected, but you can take that respected degree, use their online programs, and usually this is going to save you time and money. Number 2 is to choose schools that offer flat rate tuition. Basically what this means is instead of the traditional payment structure of like $400 a credit or $500 a credit, you're paying a flat rate for each semester and you can graduate as fast as you would like. So the faster you graduate, the less you pay. They're charging you for how long it takes instead of every single credit. Number 3 is to choose a degree that's actually going to make you money. I see too many people going to college for majors that are going to yield a $50,000 per year job. You can make 50 grand a year without going to college. If you're going to college, go get a degree that's going to double your income or more than that, and then your degree is actually worth your time. Number 4 is semi-related. Do not get a liberal studies degree, a general studies degree, or an art-based degree. All of these degrees yield similar paying jobs to what you would earn without a college degree. Number 5 is to avoid shortcut strategies that are actually going to weaken your degree in the long run. It's really trendy online right now to go earn like half or more of your degree through resources like sophia.org or study.com, basically online resources where you can earn college credit from outside of the school. The problem is these generally lead to lower quality majors and they show up on your transcripts. There are other strategies that are just as fast, if not faster, that don't require you to weaken your degree, and that's usually what I prefer. Once in a while, there are exceptions to the rule, but for a vast majority of students, this is a shortcut strategy that's not actually helping you in the long run. It's not saving you time, and it's not saving you money. Like I said, number 6 is going to save you multiple years of time if you really understand this principle. Do not rely on universities for education. Universities are not there to teach you. Universities are there to make money. On top of that, most of what universities teach is really old, outdated material that's not even applicable in the real world. There are so many places to go and learn and to gain education. You carry your smartphone in your purse or in your pocket, and you have access to all the information in the world. So going to universities to learn is slowing you down, and it's getting you sucked into their business models to keep you a student for longer so that you pay them more money. If you can go to the school to get the degree and just complete all of the steps the school requires you and then go learn what you need to learn outside of school, you're always going to graduate faster. Number 7 goes hand in hand with this, and it is to test out of all of your classes. So instead of going through the homework assignments and the quizzes and the study guides and the lesson plans and the essays and the group projects and all the things we hate about school, test out of your classes. Basically, you can find college programs that allow you to do this. My preferred way to do this is to find what are called competency-based education programs. Basically, schools offer programs where they say, hey, if you prove to us that you have the knowledge to earn this college credit or to complete this class, you don't have to do the work because we know that it's already in your brain. If you find programs like that, you can then go and learn what you need to learn outside of the school, then come back and prove to the school that you've learned the knowledge. And if you do this properly, you can graduate in months instead of years. I know this sounds crazy, but it does not take 4 years to learn what schools are teaching us. We can learn so much faster, walk away with the same information, the same skills, spending less, earning our degrees faster so that we can go get the jobs that are going to make us more money and move on with our lives. Now, the key to all this is to graduate faster, right? We want to try to graduate in less than a year. I did it in 9 months. I've helped people do it as fast as 3 months. If you'd like to learn the process of acceleration, I call it degree hacking. I'm going to leave a link down below this video to a separate tutorial called my degree hacking tutorial. If you'd like to learn how to get your degree this much faster and save a whole bunch of money, go watch that tutorial below. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.